See, I am here with Jason
Hello.
from Lennar, and we are going to walk through the paired homes. So this is like a duplex, but not really a duplex. But it's in the same Mosaic neighborhood, different builder than Hartford. I have done a good deal of transactions with Lennar. So
Now here's the cool thing about the common wall.
here's what Jason's multitasking with my friend Tim. Here's what's coming up in these paired homes. So maybe you can put the video on pause, take a look at that. And then we're going to come on through.
We have the two pieces of dense glass, and this right here is your firewall.
Okay.
Okay?
And both sides are insulated.
Yes.
So this is 2x6, this 2x6 all the way around.
Correct. Yeah, so it'll just be the 2x4.
That's my good friend Tim.
So there's a lot more soundproofing than in your
This is the
normal
neighborhood
apartment.
cat. Believe it or not, this cat just kind of
You don't hear the people
goes from house to house.
So, I mean, this is really, really overbuilt for what we're doing here. But then
So
again, it
obviously a
also
model
translates to,
home.
Quiet.
Right. Okay.
Okay, that was one of my fears.
And we are a good
Now
distance.
these are the painted cabinets.
These are the great
Off
painted
the
cabinets.
train
correct.
These are
here.
the less expensive.
These are
Let me
the
pop you outside, just because Jason's multitasking, as I mentioned.
with these right here, and then I'll take you upstairs.
So here's your front patio. You can see way off over there. That's where the train is. Crossings over there. They're the ones they're currently building. And I do believe most of them have these nice little entranceways here. Little seating area up front. I think this is the Sparkle floor plan. Let's see here, there's probably a sign. Self-guided tour, enter here. Sparkle, 2-bed, 2.5 bath. Okay. Come to the ring. Little half bath off the front. Stairs up to the side.
The ones that are available now, they're available for contract.
Say hi, Tim.
Correct. Yeah, so we would not be able to make any changes to them. Once we did.
But here's this little back patio, right, that frankly Hartford just can't offer you. Back in the kitchen. Little coffee nook. Sewing area. Pantry. Drop zone. Laundry on this main floor. Oh, can't go in there. But that would be your door to the garage. Gonna switch hands here. And then door to our unfinished basement. Nippy down here real fast. So this is nice. Hartford can't give you a basement. So utilities are down here. Great for storage. You could finish an area of it as well if you wanted. See this here, this would be for another bathroom in the basement. And right now, they've got one of these ready in February for $398,700.
$5,000 closing costs if you're using lender, which is
Upstairs.
So we have to, you probably, what I'd recommend, if you do decide to go this route,
Yeah.
that's real money. That's real money, that's nothing to ignore, but, we need to compare apples.
Primary
to apples,
bedroom?
and I would just recommend that you just tell Dale, right, just just what the situation is.
He's
And
just
he'll
saying that if
understand, he deals with this all
Right.
the time.
Oh, yeah.
Right.
And, if he can match it, I'm sure he will, but if he can't, he's still got the refinance that you're gonna be doing. And
Gonna
I
nip
would
past these folks.
absolutely
Sorry,
build it.
guys.
Oh, sorry.
Thank you.
I would absolutely.
Guest
think about
bedroom.
Their mortgage company for $5,000.
Okay, yeah, absolutely. I mean, I agree with you. The other side of this, and this may be for conversation for a little later, or with Dale, is that how much money I put down. If I try to max out how much I put down, or just put the minimum down, depending on what I do.
Hey, are you gonna go over to the library?
Yeah.
Okay, hit the Yale button on the lock button, and it's 1130.
Go through the front and round.
Yeah, yep,
1130.
yes, sir.
Thank you.
That mask makes it sound like you have an accent.
Me? No. Born and bred Colorado. All right. So now we're going from the sparkle to the larger vibrant. Here we go. 3-bed, 2.5 bath, 1,800 square feet. Now, interestingly enough, this has an office, but in the ones they're building down the line, see there the ones that say 4-bed, 4-bed, they're turning the office into a bed. Uh-oh. And we're in. Okay. So stairs off to our left. Loft area up there. Here's our living room. And a price difference between these, you're looking at $30,000 to $50,000 for a 2-bed versus a 4-bed. Let's go look at that all-important outside area. It's a little dog run area. I mean, it's not huge, but it's good. It all depends what you're used to, right? And then this is a study that's going to become a bedroom. Our guests are back with us. There's a little half bath.
This is the,
Bring that sheet, but the two that you have priced are.
There's our basement. Nice pantry.
So the one at 429.
Drop zone, twin closets. And then here's our garage. Note that if you have 2 cars, this staircase sticks out a little bit, so the smaller car has to go over here. Super tall ceilings.
They have a 1% probably origination fee, so that's gonna be $3 or $4 grand right there. And then your appraisal, all your closing fees and all that, so you'll eat up $5 grand.
Oh, sure. Yeah. But like I said, it's not money coming out of your pocket.
Here we go. Little study area. Bedroom over here. Oh, is that a pug? We just got a pug. He's so cute. Bathroom. bedroom. Sorry, got the finger in the camera. Linen closet. Okay, so this one has the washer and dryer upstairs. Primary bedroom closet. Respectable size. Primary bedroom. And then toilet area. All right. I'll send this to you. We can chat.